In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a Monzo payment link in 22.5. This easy process is a fantastic way to request money seamlessly. Whether you're splitting a bill with friends, collecting for a group gift, or simply needing to receive a payment, with the Monzo app, you can send a payment request using either a QR code or a shareable link. Let's dive into the step-by-step process, ensuring you have all the details you need to do this effortlessly. Start by opening the Monzo mobile app on your smartphone. The app icon is generally bright coral with the Monzo logo, so it should be easy to spot on your device. Once the app opens, make sure you're logged in. If you're not automatically logged in, just enter your details, ensuring you're using a secure and private connection. Next, navigate to the Payments tab within the app. This is where all your transaction-related actions are grouped, so it's the hub for sending and requesting money. You'll find the Payments option easily on the bottom menu bar. Once you're in the Payments section, your next move is to click on Request Money. This feature allows you to ask for money from another Monzo user, simplifying those often awkward split bill conversations. After you select Request Money, you will see an option to choose by QR code or link. Tapping on this will give you the flexibility to decide how you want your request to be received. Think about who you're sending the request to and choose the method that's most convenient for them. If you decide to go the QR code route, the app will generate a unique QR code specifically for your transaction. This code can be scanned by another user, simplifying the payment process. It's a particularly handy option if you're face-to-face with the person you're requesting money from, as they can scan the QR code directly from your screen. Now, it's time to specify the amount of money you need to request. Be precise here, double-check those numbers to avoid any confusion or miscommunications. If you're splitting a bill, ensure the amount reflects each person's share accurately. Alternatively, you can choose to generate a shareable link instead of a QR code. This option is perfect if the person you're requesting money from isn't with you in person. You can share this link via text, email, or your preferred messaging app, providing a versatile way to collect payments. And there you have it. You've successfully created a Monzo payment request, giving you and your contacts a hassle-free way to manage finances. Remember, whether you choose a QR code or a shareable link, Monzo makes it straightforward to receive the payments you need. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial made the process simple and clear. Happy requesting!